Welcome to our Fact Family adventure. Every number family has its own home. Some live in houses, some grow on trees, and some balance perfectly on scales. Keep watching till the end to meet all the number families and see which one becomes your favorite. Now let's step inside our first home. The house of numbers, where 15, 9, and 6 live together. Underneath each trio of numbers, write 4 related number facts, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. For each, you will get 5 seconds. If you want more time, pause the video or reduce playback speed. Now let's begin. Your time starts now. Next 5 seconds. Check your answers. Now write 2 subtraction facts. Check your answer. Did you get all 4 correct? Here comes our next fact family tree. The trunk holds 18, and the branches carry 10 and 8. Just like before, together they make 4 number facts, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. Let's see how the branches connect. Sam, what are you thinking?
I found an easy way. The big number is equal to the sum of the 2 small numbers, and the big number minus 1 small number is equal to the other small number.
That's great. Sam, you've discovered the fact family rule. Now let's check our balance. On this golden scale, the numbers 11 and 12 sit together on one side, and 23 balances them perfectly on the other. Continue as before. Write the 2 addition facts, then the 2 subtraction facts. Or follow Sam's idea. Keep watching. More number families are waiting to be discovered. Now let's solve a puzzle together. Look at these 3 numbers, 34, 14, and 20. They fit together just like puzzle pieces. Watch how they create 4 number facts. You'll get 5 seconds for each fact. Congratulations! You've completed our Fact Family adventure. Today you've met 4 wonderful number families: the house, the tree, the balance, and the puzzle. Remember, numbers love to live together in fact families, and you can make your own with any 3 numbers. And don't forget, subscribe to Creative Math Voyage for more math adventures. See you next time. Bye and take care.